Welcome to the page on word problems. We're going to be given a word problem that includes a rate and an initial start value. We're going to take that information and write an equation for each story. Let's take a look at problem number 1 together. Student Council is selling t-shirts during Spirit Week. It costs $20 for the design. That is a one-time fee. It is your initial value. It's the startup money. So it costs $20 for the design and $5 to print each shirt. Write an equation that represents X, the number of shirts, and Y, the total cost. Well, we know we have a one-time fee that we have to pay. That is $20. Each shirt we print will cost $5. So our rate of change, or our slope, is $5 per one shirt. And if you divide, that gives us 5. So let's put this all together and write an equation. Our rate of change, of course, is our slope, and our initial value, of course, is our y-intercept. So using this format, we would write $5 times every shirt X plus 20 for the design fee equals Y, the total cost. Let's take a look at another story problem, problem number 3. The cost to rent a paddle boat at the city park includes an initial fee of $7. Now that's a one-time fee, plus $3.50 per every hour. That's our rate, or our rate of change. Write an equation that represents X, the number of hours, and Y, the total cost. Well, let's start with our initial fee, our y-intercept. We know right up front we have to pay $7, no matter how long we're out on the lake. And then our rate, well, we write it as a ratio. It is $3.50 per every 1 hour. If we divide, we get $3.50. So put it all together and write an equation. We would write $3.50 times every hour X plus a one-time fee of $7 equals Y, the total cost. Now complete problems 2 and problems 4 on your own, and when you're finished, compare your answers to the answer key. This concludes page 19.